Hi, welcome back to VIEZU Workshop. My name's Andy. Today we've got a S-Type Jag in. It's in for upper pulley, 200 cell cats, remap and dyno. Right, let's get it strapped down for the stock run. Right, let's get the car on the ramp so we can fit the upper pulley and the 200 cell cats. Now all the modifications are completed, let's get it strapped down for the final run on the dyno. If you would like to get your vehicle tuned, please contact us on info@viezu.com or call us on 01789 77 4444.